Container homes have gained widespread attention in recent years for being cost-effective, eco-friendly, and highly adaptable. In this video, you'll see a creative approach to constructing one of these homes from beginning to end. The process starts with creating a solid base by installing steel supports to elevate the structure. This approach ensures stability while protecting the building from moisture rising from the ground. It also allows air to flow underneath the house, improving ventilation and reducing dampness. Oriented strand boards are then fastened firmly onto the base using screws to form the flooring structure. Next, wall construction begins using corrugated steel sheets, giving the home both strength and a contemporary appearance. These metal panels are highly resistant to harsh weather and contribute to the building's overall rigidity. Careful positioning and alignment of each panel is maintained to preserve both durability and visual appeal. Openings for doors and windows are then cut out, allowing sunlight and airflow to enter the interior. Each opening is measured with precision to ensure proper installation of frames and fittings. The roofing stage follows, using insulated sandwich panels to improve energy performance. These panels provide strong thermal insulation, helping to maintain indoor temperature efficiently. Durable materials are selected throughout the process to minimize maintenance and extend the building's lifespan. At this stage, the structure stands solid and insulated, ready for interior work. The exterior, including the roof, is then sealed to protect against rain, wind, and moisture intrusion. A fresh coat of paint is applied afterward, enhancing appearance while adding another protective layer. With the outer shell complete, insulation is installed throughout the interior for better energy efficiency. Electrical wiring is also carried out, preparing the home for full power functionality. EPS sandwich panels are mounted onto walls and ceilings, adding both strength and insulation. These panels are lightweight yet strong, offering excellent thermal performance for modern housing. Openings are carefully cut into the panels to allow space for wiring and plumbing systems. They also help dampen noise, making the indoor environment quieter. The final result is a comfortable, energy-efficient interior that reduces overall utility costs. Lastly, the windows are sealed from the inside to ensure they are airtight and securely fitted. The joints between the EPS panels were sealed properly, and the same panels were used to form the bathroom partitions. Work on the flooring started with accurate timber framing to build a sturdy base. Insulation sheets were neatly placed between the wooden supports to improve both heat retention and sound control. OSB boards were then fastened firmly onto the frame, creating a durable and stable surface. This method resulted in a well-insulated and strong floor, ready for further finishing stages. Afterward, wooden boards were fixed to the ceiling, giving the space a warm and natural feel. The same wooden boards were extended onto the walls, creating a consistent interior design. Window frames were crafted with care, improving both their function and visual appeal. Door frames were also installed, blending smoothly with the surrounding wooden surfaces. Decorative ceiling trim was added, enhancing the overall elegance of the interior. Skirting boards were installed, creating a neat connection between walls and flooring. A floor heating system was introduced, offering an efficient way to heat the living area. This system distributes warmth evenly, eliminating cold zones and maintaining comfort. Because it doesn't rely on wall-mounted units, it allows more freedom in interior layout and design. It works well with different floor finishes, adding a modern and luxurious touch to the home. Plumbing pipes were installed in the bathroom area to support all necessary fixtures. Once the piping was complete, a layer of cement screed was poured to level the floor. The surface was then smoothed carefully to ensure it was flat and even. With the base ready, attention turned to finishing the bathroom walls using PVC panels. The panels were installed securely, providing a waterproof and long-lasting solution. They also gave the bathroom a clean and contemporary appearance. The installation was checked thoroughly to confirm everything was properly fitted. Following this, floor tiles were laid carefully, forming a strong and attractive surface. Grout was applied between the tiles to seal the joints and prevent water penetration. Finally, The toilet unit was installed securely, aligned correctly with the plumbing system, and made ready for use. A mirror was mounted above the sink, adding both functionality and a sense of spaciousness. Bathroom doors were installed securely, ensuring privacy and proper closure. Tiles were neatly placed in the designated kitchen area, creating a strong and attractive surface. These kitchen tiles were selected for their sleek look and easy upkeep, improving usability. The entryway was also finished with tiles, making it both practical and inviting. Matching tiles were used in both the entrance and kitchen, creating a smooth visual flow. Together, these tiled sections delivered a refined appearance while increasing durability in busy areas. A staircase was constructed to provide access to the container home, combining utility with design. A sturdy metal frame was used as the foundation, ensuring it could handle regular use. This metal frame was then covered with wood, giving the stairs a more natural and cozy feel. The wood was painted in a bold color, adding personality and visual appeal. A modern door handle was installed at the entrance, improving both usability and safety. This handle included a keypad system, allowing entry without the need for keys. It was built to endure different weather conditions, ensuring long-term reliability. Its clean and stylish design matched the overall contemporary look of the house. This addition created a secure and convenient entry system, enhancing everyday use. With everything completed, the container home stood as a modern and eye-catching structure. For more projects like this, be sure to visit 𝐶𝐽gotv and stay tuned for upcoming builds.